Hey y'all, I just wanted to bring you a video. It's been a little bit since I've visited with you, and I just want to share with you It Works' new product. It's called Energy. It was launched on March 5th, so just last week. It was also our 14th anniversary of our company. So we've been here for 14 years and not a household name yet, and we are in 19 countries now and expanding. So you have plenty of opportunity to still get into this company. But I'm just going to read a couple notes over here about my the energy information and share with you a little bit of my thoughts. And I just want to give you some background information on this. It has been in the works for a little while here with our company, and we're able to launch it this year. It's so exciting for bringing in to our product line an energy drink. And at first I was kind of like, I don't know about that because I love the product greens of ours, and that gives me a lot of energy. But I was really excited to try this and taste this, and what I found out is that it has a lot of vitamin B's in it for brain function, and it's a proprietary energy blend. It helps support the body's ability to sustain our natural energy level. So, with the crazy wrap, that has already set us apart from all other companies because we're the only ones with the crazy wrap. But with the energy drink, we're right there with our competition and giving people a healthier alternative because of the ingredients that are in there and the balance of everything in there that we have. And I just want to point out a few things about it to you, what I've already listed, plus, the biotin and the juices that makes up the taste of it. It's blueberry, cranberry, and pear juice for the bulk of the flavor to it, and it is 8.4 ounces, so you definitely can get a full, if you're looking for a cup of coffee, try this instead. And the company recommends no more than 2 a day, but I think you're going to find comfortable with one can. At least that's my personal opinion. I found with one can was plenty for my day. And so I just wanted to bring you that information, and check it out at greenblackgo.com for more information for prices, and always saving you money with loyal customership. Check that out. And it's a 24 pack that you'll receive. If you are local to me and you want to try a can, it's $3.50 a can, or 3 for $10. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.